Hi, my name is Mudupi, and this is my 42-day journey on raising chicks into broilers. I hope you find this content educational, valuable, and inspiring for you to go out there and make something of your own. As you can see, these are the day-old chicks that I got, and I'm not really counting them as I take them out. I'm just making sure that they're all alive and mobile, because sometimes from the hatchery, people are rough with the chicks and they just drop them into the box, and you know chicks squash each other, fight for their lives simply to stay alive. So what I'm doing now is gently taking them out of the box and placing them in their comfortable new home. And I hope you can see that I already placed feed and water feeders, just so that they get accustomed to the environment as soon as possible. And in the water feeders, or the water drinkers rather, I've placed a stress pack, because surely the journey from the hatchery into the car into their new home now must be stressful. And as you can see, some of them are already starting to drink, because water is important for these chicks, especially at this tender phase in their lives. And that's just my dad helping out, making sure that everything is moving. So you might question, why are they marked blue? That is actually the vaccine they get from the hatchery. I forgot what it's called, but I'll put the name of it right now in this video. Why the hatchery's vaccine these chicks is that to really boost their immunity and boost their growth. This is a couple of minutes or after the drop-off process, and as you can see, some of them are already starting to eat, which is a good sign of healthy chicks. Some are drinking as well, which I did say they need nourishment to reduce and alleviate the stress that they've gone through. Because with these chicks, stress remains in their body for quite a long time. So you need to alleviate or reduce that stress as soon as you possibly can. Here's a fact I thought I could share with you. The first 24 hours of a chick's arrival will determine the next 42 days. Chicks that don't drink water immediately when they arrive will show a decline in growth. So ensure that you always have clean water available. And upon arrival, ensure that your chicks have stress pack ready to reduce the stress from traveling, moving around, and to help them settle in to a new environment. I've left a checklist in the description for you to download and tick off as you start your own chick to broiler journey. Thank you.